So in this video, we're just going to look real quick. I failed to mention this in the arranger video before. So right now we're in arranger view. You can tell that's because we see the blinking light here. And I have a couple of tracks here. They're pretty much the same. I just record my octa track real quick. Okay, so there's our arrangement, and it's the same pattern, just different effects. Let's say we want to move open space to add more things. And of course you can do this with multi-tracks, anything like that. I'm just going to show you with that single line. What we want to do is go to use this column here, the very first one, to where we want to move this track. So if you hold down shift and you just turn the knob, it'll shift it. And if you go back, you can actually see, okay? So let's say we have another clip here. Let's say we have something here that's like that long. If I move from here, it's not going to move this part. It'll just move what's after it. Okay, also another thing you need to know. So if I hold down shift and turn it left here, see it's erasing all those instances. Press back and we're back to normal. So again, so if this is extended across, it's not going to move it. So just be aware of that. Also, let's say if I drag this to the left, it starts erasing those as well, even though it's just bumping into this one. That's what happens with that. So that's the function. Again, shift and then the knob, and you can shift anything. So if you're working in arranger and you're doing it manually, or you even had a recorded part, you can actually insert areas into your arrangement.